How is it going, guys, and welcome to Mingwood. This is an episode I've been waiting for more than a year, and let me be extremely honest, I even thought that I have lost this battle. No, we're not gonna have a picnic today on top of the car, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna tackle those hideous, ugly, and not nice, absolutely out of shape windshield wipers. 1 year ago, I had this great idea of purchasing used windshield wipers through Facebook Marketplace to a guy that was actually parting out his car. But the issue though is that they were not exactly from the same car, and the blades that they had inside, they were actually different from what I was actually expecting. So one of them has this press and release type of system. The other one had the more, I would say, common one, which has here a terminal that will clamp and click, and another one here, and basically this was the blade, which at some point in time I thought I'll fix this with the Bosch replacement. I bought this one through eBay to a guy that actually was selling them, but let me show you the issue that I had. When I basically tried to replace one for the other, I realized that they were different. We were not talking about the same type of blades. The way these things were composed were different than this one. And bottom line, the inner metallic blade was not actually the one that I had. Nor from this one, nor from this one either. So I get to hear from a guy through Facebook that there's some specific windshield wipers replacement that they will actually come with the inner metallic blade, and they will properly fit the specific size of these R107 ones. So let's get started. Apparently these are the ones we're talking about. ANCO. Oh crap, this is 20? Oh crap, I thought they were 19. Okay, at this point, let's try them. So the good thing, although they are not specifically the same size, what I do feel is that, well, they do come with the hard part. It's not a full metallic part, but look what I found. It looks quite similar to this one. Let's try to install them. Look at these windshield wipers, man. This looks awesome. Best part of it, I pay less than $60 for both things. The old windshield wipers and the new refills. God bless you and have a great day.